In the heart of a dense, verdant jungle, a unique gibbon named Gizmo lived in harmony with nature. Gizmo, unlike other gibbons, was not content with the simple life. He was constantly seeking new ways to explore the jungle and expand his knowledge. One day, Gizmo stumbled upon a mysterious stone, glowing with an ethereal light. Intrigued, he picked it up and felt a surge of energy course through him. Suddenly, Gizmo found himself able to move with an agility and grace beyond his kind. He could leap great distances, swing from tree to tree, and even climb vertical walls with ease. Word of Gizmo's newfound abilities spread quickly throughout the jungle. Other animals marveled at his speed and agility, but some grew envious. A powerful, prideful tiger named Tiberius saw Gizmo's new abilities as a threat to his status. He challenged Gizmo to a race, hoping to prove his superiority. Gizmo, ever the peaceful creature, accepted the challenge. As they raced, Gizmo moved with an agility and grace that left Tiger far behind. Tiberius, humiliated, vowed revenge. He gathered a group of animals and plotted to overthrow Gizmo. But Gizmo, realizing the danger, sought the help of the wise old elephant, Eldo. Eldo told Gizmo that the stone was a gift, but with great power came great responsibility. Gizmo, humbled, decided to use his abilities not for personal gain, but to help the jungle and its inhabitants. He used his agility to find food, help the weak, and protect the jungle from harm. Tiberius, seeing Gizmo's selfless acts, felt a pang of regret. He realized that true power comes not from physical abilities, but from the heart. From that day forward, Tiberius became a helper in the jungle, and Gizmo continued to live in harmony with nature, a symbol of the power of humility and the importance of using one's abilities for the greater good.